Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Jackson National Life, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your financial goals. Clarify your short-term, medium-term, and long-term objectives. Gather all relevant financial information. This includes your income sources, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Create a timeline for your budgeting process. Determine how often you will review your budget. Next, visit the Jackson National Life website. Explore their budgeting tools and resources. Sign up for an account if necessary. Download any budgeting templates they offer. Now, list all your sources of income. Include salaries, investments, and any side hustles. After that, identify your fixed expenses. These may include rent, utilities, and loan payments. Then, outline your variable expenses. Consider groceries, entertainment, and discretionary spending. Once you have your expenses laid out, categorize each one. This will help you see where most of your money goes. Use the budgeting tool from Jackson National Life to input your data. Follow the prompts to create an initial budget plan. Adjust your budget based on your financial goals. Make sure to allocate funds for savings and emergency expenses. Conduct regular reviews of your budget. This should be done monthly or quarterly. Analyze any differences between your planned budget and actual spending. Make necessary adjustments to stay on track. Consider setting up automatic transfers to savings. This can simplify your saving process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.